The most impressive thing about the method for me was really the intuitiveness of the entire machine, the experience of it. SMART's design method is human-centered design through prototypes, physical objects, and strategic thinking. The accuracy on the method has been pretty great.
The layering is a bit more consistent, even if you're getting a lot further from the plate, because a lot of the open ones are just heat plates. So it's just like able control and quality, I think, is sort of second to none when it comes to like having a sealed chamber. When a job's done, you could directly just put another one right on. It's just like, just speeds up that process. And not only the quality, but the new water-soluble materials that we can just like pop into the water. We don't have to like have this whole acid bath that it goes through in the shop.
I always give like a 0.2 millimeter tolerance throughout everything, and so far everything just fitted like a glove.